Hi everybody, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, you have been given very little knowledge. Today, I'm going to speak about the dangers of added sugar intake. Generally, the high intake of added sugar has been reported to be an indication of lower food and nutrition quality. Excessive sugar intake has been linked to a lot of diseases. Number 1. Sugar can destroy your immune system. Not only does sugar reduce our ability of bodies to fight infections, but it also depletes our body of essential nutrients required for a healthy immune system. Number 2. Sugar can affect children's IQ and intelligence quotient. Number 3. Sugar, not fat, causes heart disease, because too much sugar is linked to fatal heart disease, regardless if you are thin or obese. Number 4. Sugar is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Number 5. Sugar can cause AD, erectile dysfunction. Sugar affects blood flow, causes microvascular damage, nerve damage, and hormone imbalances, and thus erectile dysfunction. Number 6. Sugar can affect fertility and ovulation. Women with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, often have issues with insulin resistance and hormone imbalances, which may be improved on a low sugar diet. Number 7. Sugar causes high blood pressure. Sugar is more strongly associated with hypertension and cardiometabolic risk more than salt. Number 8. Sugar causes kidney disease. Sugar damages the microvascular vessels in the kidney, which affect the ability for the kidneys to regulate the excretion of harmful waste, blood pressure, salt, mineral, protein, and fluid balance. Number 9. Sugar can cause estrogen production, so fat gathers in a male chest area and gives him appearance of having breasts. Number 10. Sugar can cause oxidative stress and free radical production. Oxidative stress is known to be the precursor of over 200 age-related diseases. Oxidation is like fruit goes brown. You may have observed the effects of oxidation on food after slicing a piece of fruit, such as an apple. If you slice the apple in half, after a short period of time, you notice the apple changes its appearance and turns brown. The change to apple is as a result of oxidation from free radical. Number 11. Sugar can cause osteoporosis. Drinking carbonated sugar drinks causes increased calcium excretion and calcium loss from the body, which can weaken bones in those who are at risk of osteoporosis. Number 12. Sugar promotes acne. Sugar promotes sebum oil on the face. Sugar aggravates hormonal acne. Number 13. Sugar can cause cataracts. Poor blood sugar control weakens the cell membranes and causes oxidative damage in the lens. Number 14. Sugar causes wrinkles. Sugar in the blood attached to the proteins and causes AGE, advanced glycation end products. These attack the fibers in elastin and collagen, which makes your skin supple. Number 15. Eating lots of sugar starchy foods may make eyes more susceptible to age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Number 16. Sugar can lead to mineral deficiencies. Chromium, copper, zinc, and magnesium are all depleted through the metabolism of sugar. Number 17. Sugar is associated with cancer, such as breast, colorectal, and prostate cancer. Number 18. Sugar causes inflammation. Low-grade inflammation or chronic inflammation is involved in almost all chronic disease, such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, macular degeneration, atherosclerosis, and vascular dementia. Number 19. Sugar can aggravate psoriasis. Number 20. Sugar affects your gut flora, which impacts in your immunity, bowel function, and metabolic syndrome, to name a few. Also, it impacts on serotonin, happiness hormone, because the gut flora has a positive role in the production of neurotransmitters including dopamine and serotonin. A happy gut means a happy mind. Number 21. Sugar can cause depression. There is a direct link between blood sugar and mood. Especially blood sugar spikes and loss. The more uneven your blood sugar, the more uneven your mood. Number 22. Fructose causes non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD is a build-up of extra fat in liver cells that is not caused by alcohol. Fructose is often added to food because it's both cheap and enhances taste. Fructose is primarily metabolized in the liver, where it is turned directly to fat, and it can cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. 23. Insulin resistance, IR. Insulin resistance occurs when excess sugar circulates in the body, when cells in your muscles, fat, and liver do not respond well to insulin and can use glucose from your blood for energy. As a result, your pancreas makes more insulin to help glucose enter your cell. IR is a precursor to prediabetes and type 2 diabetes and many other diseases. Number 24. Sugar is the biggest cause of obesity. Sugar drives insulin, which is our fat storing hormone. In addition, fructose, one half of sugar, does not affect our satiety, and so we may continue to eat, drink beyond what is required. Fructose is sweeter and cheaper than sugar and doesn't regulate hunger. Sugar makes us hungry. Sugar causes elevated insulin and triglycerides in the blood, both of which cause resistance to hormone called leptin. Leptin is often called the satiety hormone. It helps regulate appetite, so you're gonna eat more and more again. Number 26. Sugar not fat changes the type of cholesterol we have. A diet high in sugar and carbs will lower your HDL, high density lipoprotein, and make your LDL, low density lipoproteins, higher. Number 27. Tooth decay. When sugar is consumed, it interacts with the bacteria within the plaque to produce acid. This acid is responsible for tooth decay because it slowly dissolves the enamel coating holes or cavities in the teeth. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and like. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.